Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this black and gold double cut crease eye makeup tutorial. I think this is a perfect look for any outfit that you will be wearing on your big day. And I have hooded eyes, so along the way I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve a perfect double cut crease look on hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. I am taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade medium neutral, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I will mention my eyebrow routine in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows, and now I am just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. With my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. And I am applying these eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon. For today's look, I will be using this Colourpop Good as Gold eyeshadow palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette that you have in your collection. You just need similar shades. So first I am taking this mustard yellow shade from the palette, and I am applying it as my transition color, and I am using my Sigma E40 brush, and I am using back and forth motion as well as circular motion, and I'm just building it up. I'm quite happy with the pigmentation. Now I am taking the shade called a Bold Rush. It is a beautiful chocolate brown shade, and I am applying it as my crease color, and as you guys can see, I am creating a false crease for myself. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid, so I am just creating a new crease for myself. And I switched to a different brush because I wanted the color to be precisely on my crease, and for that I needed a more like a small precise brush, and this brush is again from Morphe. This is Morphe M513 brush, and again I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. And now I am taking this beautiful matte black shade from the palette, and I am applying it on top of the previous shade. I want to cut my crease, and for that my crease has to be dark and defined because it will give me that beautiful shadow, that beautiful depth. And using a black eyeshadow just ensures that my crease is well defined. And the brush that I'm using is again from Morphe. This is from Morphe and Jeffree Star collaboration, but sadly you don't get these brushes now. And I'm cutting my crease. For that I'm using the same concealer and this lip brush from Puna store, and first I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease. Since I have hooded eyes, I am just placing the concealer a little bit higher because I want to create a false crease for myself. Other than that, the lid shadows will not be visible, and I'm just winging it out just a bit on the outer V area, just like that. Now I am taking my Garnier micellar water, and with the Q-tip I am just cleaning up the lid area so that I can have a nice and clean eyelid to work with, and my shadows will pop. With the same lip brush from Puna store, I'm just reapplying the concealer, and then I will blend it out with a sponge. Taking that matte black eyeshadow, I am applying it as my wing here, and then I will create a double cut crease effect. Here I am creating that double cut crease effect. You can see I am leaving a negative space, like an empty space, and that is called double cut crease. Now I'm just applying the matte black shade right here on the outer V area. Whenever I do a double cut crease look, I always tend to use a darker shade on my outer V area. It just makes my double cut crease look stand out even more. Now I'm taking this beautiful shimmery gold shade called Gold Star, and I am popping it right here on the middle part of my eyelid, and you can see it is just like liquid gold. Such a stunning gold shade, and I don't think I have any shade like this in my collection. And I am using this Morphe M124 brush. Now I am taking this pale gold shade called Digging You. This is like a champagne pale gold shade, and I am popping it right here on the inner corner of my eye just to give it a nice like opened up look. Taking that chocolate brown shade, I am applying it between the gold shade and the black shade, just to have a nice and smooth gradient effect, and it will look more put together that way. Now I am taking this beautiful like pressed glitter shade. It is a beautiful fine pressed gold glitter, and I am applying it on the middle part of my eyelid just to amp up the look further. Now I am taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I am just creating a wing here. And the brush that I am using is again from Morphe. This is the Morphe 2500 brush. Just like that. Now I am taking my e.l.f. liquid glitter in the shade Floody Body, and with my another Morphe M2500 brush, I am applying it on the negative space that I just created. Now I'm just tightening my eyes using my Milani eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark, and taking that matte black eyeshadow, I am smudging out my entire lower lash line just to give it a smokier look. And the brush that I am using is from Puna store. This is their angled eyeshadow brush. And taking that chocolate brown shade, I'm applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. And now I am taking my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, and I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bones. And for that I am using this lip brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I am elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye just to give it a like elongated eye effect, and I am making a V shape. For bridal makeup, this step is must because it just gives your eyes that beautiful sultry look. I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I am just applying a coat of mascara to prep my eyes for false lashes. And for false lashes, I will be using these Gala lashes from Kiss Off Camera. And here is the completed eye look. I truly love how the entire look came together. It is such a classy color combination, and I think it's perfect for any outfit. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any video request, then feel free to comment down below as well. So yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.